Hi guys, it's Connor from Sound on High here, one of the two fellas from legendary in Ireland, dreaming about taking over the world, one powerful lad at a time. We started the band in lockdown and we've been writing and recording our songs between Ireland where I am and England where Pete is at the moment. And yeah, part of that process has been us building our profile online and being on Instagram 24/7 it feels like, and scrolling through post after post, and every now and then you come across a gem or two, and we found Corey's account a few weeks ago and thought this was a great idea and a good excuse for us to I guess help out. So this is our contribution. This is a song that we're currently working on and will be released in a few weeks, with a few more instruments and a few more vocals, but it's just me and Bessie today. Pete passes his regards on. So yeah, hopefully you like it, and hopefully you're doing well. Take care. This is a song for Sarah. Why does the road seem so small? Why do I feel like nothing at all without you? Why don't you tell me where this ends? Why do you come around here again? Why do you come at all? But in the night when we fell apart, that same old night when I broke your heart, it's been too long for me, Sarah, too tired of waiting. I can't get over you. Why don't you hear me call? Why do you feel nothing at all? I can't get over you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back on down that same dirt road. No map, no choice. Hell, I don't know without you. Locked in this world without a key. Same old stranger looking at me as I stare at you. So here tonight with all my heart, broken man on bended knee. No halo, let him start. It's been too long for me, Sarah, too tired of waiting. I can't get over you. Why don't you hear me call? Why do you feel nothing at all? I can't get over you. Oh, running around the same old town looking for my soul. I cannot be what I want anymore. It's been too long for me, Sarah, too tired of waiting. I can't get over you. Why don't you hear me call? Why do you feel nothing at all? I can't get over you. Oh, why don't you hear me call? Why do you feel nothing at all? I can't get over you.